Being downtown kind of reminds me of being back home, especially in Bridgetown when we're standing on the bridge. Just the scenery and everything. I think the only thing that will be different is seeing seagulls, because we don't see that in Barbados.
Hello designers.
Hello.
Welcome to the Kingston waterfront. For your next mission, we will focus on eco-biodegradable materials. We will explore alternative leather using food waste. Today, you will make fish leather, which will be paired with 2 natural fibers, linen and cotton. You will have no additional fabrics for this mission and no additional trimming budget. You will have 9 hours to complete this mission, and then it's catwalk time. Let's see your creativity. Good luck.
So when the challenge came up, the first thing that came to my mind was actually scales, texture, and then the second thing was, oh, I'm allergic to fish.
Thought it was already made and dried and cured, and we would just cut it up and sew. But it's a total opposite. It's raw, and they're doing it here.
Not just meant for stinking something.
This is so thick. Thank God I didn't eat breakfast yet.
Your favorite Caribbean designer TV series is back, and the winner is going to Paris. This is Mission Catwalk Season 7. 13 designers from Barbados, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Antigua, and the Bahamas will compete for the chance of a lifetime. 3 designers will have a final runway showdown, but only one will make it to Paris Fashion Week. Over $4 million in cash and prizes to be won. Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
Fish?
Raw fish skin. It stinks. There's no fun in that.
I have pretty bad fish allergies.
I didn't know that people actually use fish to make other things. I never used it before.
I use pig and rabbit skin already. I think I've seen it and maybe mistaken it for snake leather. But it's the very first time I've heard about it.
I chose the turbot, tough turbot. Now I know where the phrase come from.
Some people get turbot, but I didn't choose it.
I got a barracuda.
Wow, we share that one, yeah? Take this down, we share. No, you take this down. Yeah, fish box, I was excited because it's something new, working with fish leather, and I came up with a design pretty quick.
I think that the fish skin is more sturdier and stuff, so it can be interesting to see what I could do with the actual fish skin.
I never heard of fish leather, and then I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna incorporate this in a design, but like I always, I think of something and I'm working on it, and I think what I'm working on is strong.
Roast fish and cornbread, hey, 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 yeah. Roast fish and cornbread.
I was feeling good after a good start, but I was concerned about my level of tiredness because all I wanted from this morning is lay down and sleep.
I'm tired. It's very, very pressuring.
I'm not going to lie, very tired from the previous challenge.
A couple of we drink coffee and we get a little boost, so with the year I tried what we need to do.
The first time I take the challenge too literal, like, I make an outfit, a fish outfit. The fish is the inspiration, so when you look at the outfit, you say, oh, that's a fish.
My design is inspired by the waves of the ocean, so I'm going to play with draping. I'm kind of kind of going with the flow, because with draping sometimes you have to go with it. I'm letting the fabric speak to me, and also trying to incorporate the fish into the design. That part I'm still wrapping my mind around it.
I have to use a faux fish leather and not the real one, and sorry.
You need water or
something. And now it's...
Yeah, are you nauseous?
Yeah, I think she could have a slight fever.
If you're not well, if you have a health issue, speak to the producers beforehand. I can't eat this because it's nothing to do with the fish.
I'm going to be a little bit biased with that because I myself have suffered from high blood pressures. If I had a case, I would like to be immune too, so I can understand.
I honestly never want to see the girl drop out of the competition just because she's not well. Others are saying otherwise.
It would be unfair for her to go through 6, not to do 6 and end up in 7, and probably win the finale because she was granted immunity.
Maybe, just maybe, some of them who is so irritated by the thought of it might find her as I look at traits or so. Maybe, I don't know.
I think the decision she wants to make is to come back.
Yeah, but even if she comes back, what if she come in here now, drop down, then what can do?
The man them straightforward, I said, yeah.
I would never want to see her come in the sewing room feeling terrible and be forced to compete.
The immunity part, but honestly, I don't know what to say. I honestly don't know what to say about it. Because I don't want to seem unfair. But at the end of the day, her health comes first.
She'll be in 6, so right now I don't feel any way about it. The name of my collection is Turbit.
Compared to the last challenge we had, it is not as restricting. I never really thought that you could make fabric out of fish skin, so although fish is nasty, I'm gonna incorporate it some way into the actual dress design, because when I first heard the challenge, my mind just immediately went to our national fish, which is the Barbados flying fish, and then from there it just became magic. I'm trying to create a flying fish.
Everybody got the same material, the same amount of material to work with. Everybody got equal everything. We all got preference to pick the fish leather to work with. So I think it's a fair challenge. So it's just to see who could be more creative with it.
I'd love to see how my client will hold this. I'm making a dress, not a mermaid dress. I always think that no, when I'm working with fish, I will make a fishtail dress. But no, may I ease off of that? I'm making a nice dress that would look like, kind of like resort wear kind of thing. It's a flared dress, so I kind of going off the whole resort wear kind of vibe.
I stress out, challenge that stress me out. I don't know, I really try my best, I try my best. It's challenging body, man. It's getting harder and harder and harder and harder.
Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?